We did a morning hunt today. Saw my brother and I. We saw a small 8, but we did not see the white 8 that I always been seeing a couple of weeks, and did not see the big bad 8 that I was chasing. So we kind of figured out that they're out of their territory right now. Look at the map. Decided to scout this public land over here just before. So we're just gonna decide to come sit. It's roughly 1:30 right now, so that's all we can do. All the bucks, they're all out. They're not in their territory no more. So we kind of figured out that we gotta move too. So we did a quick scout and then found, just like any other spot where people are heavily scouted already and step on the trails and all that stuff, but gotta give it a shot. So that just happened. Oh my god. 8 chasing a doe right in front of me, and this guy walks in, and the buck was standing 35 yards, and this guy just came and scared him off. Oh my god. Can't believe it. I could have shot him too. So unfortunate. But anyways, it's 2 o'clock right now, and still pretty early, so I'm gonna sit it out. I just got to a tree stand before, and I would say probably 20 minutes I saw that chase, so I'm guessing they chasing pretty hard. I guess that's what you get for hunting Publix. Anything goes.
See it? Oh god. Oh my god. Yeah. Yep, right there. There he is. There he is, right here. Oh yeah. Right here. Yeah, we found him this morning. Me, my dad and I came and tracked it. A couple more guys to take him out, drag him out, take him up, and bring him out. He died approximately 200 yards from where I shot him. You know, I'm happy that I got this deer. You know, I'm blessed, I'm happy, but to be honest, the moment that I spent with my brother scouting this land, when we got here, we haven't scouted before, we've never been here, hunted here before, and our first time when we got here yesterday, scouted quick and just sit like the best spot that you would think, you know, and oh my God, and came this guy, and I shot him. You know, that's a memory to remember forever, me and my brother. Thing is, this morning with my dad, when we found this deer, I wish I had a video camcorder. That was the best moment with my old man and me. The guy right here, guys, I think it's a 12 pointer, 11 pointer, yep. So there's some kickers over here too, kicker over here, big guy. That'll be it. 2016 Public Trophy.